Okay, for question 2.16, we have this molecule and we're asked to write the appropriate IUPAC name for this molecule. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to figure out what the longest continuous carbon chain is first, and then we'll go from there. So in this case, again, we just kind of start and trial and error, find the longest continuous carbon chain. So in this case, if I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there is an 8, which doesn't draw well with the highlighter. So there's an 8. What else do I have? What other ways can I try? Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 7's not long enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 6 is not long enough. So it appears as though our longest continuous carbon chain is the yellow one, which has an 8 carbon chain to it. Okay, so there's my 8 carbon chain, which will make this an octane. So that immediately eliminates answer C. Okay, so looking at now how am I going to number this? So I'm going to number from, if I number from left to right, I go 1, 2, 3 to encounter my first substituent. If I number from the right hand side, it's 1, 2. I encounter my first substituent at carbon 2, and so I'm going to number this from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So now let's look at our substituents. So what substituents do we have? I like to draw in the carbons because it will help me then see my substituents better. So it looks like we have a methyl group at carbons 2 and 6. So we gather those up and say it's a 2,6 dimethyl. And what is the group at carbon 4? The group at carbon 4 is a propyl group because it has 3 carbons, and because it has the two CH3s, this is an isopropyl group. Okay. Now in terms of alphabetization, we do not alphabetize di and tri in this situation, so my first alphabetized letter is going to be M. Because isopropyl goes together as one word, that's going to be alphabetized on the I. So this will be a 4 isopropyl, 2,6 dimethyl octane, which makes it letter A. Okay. So this is why you need to know the names of the groups that are the first 6 groups or so that are on the there's a sheet in Canvas in the Monday folder that outlines the common name, or the group names that you have to know, and isopropyl is one of them.